For this demo, we have considered the city of Mumbai. In this demo, we have put a list of Twitter's posts followed by Facebook posts with the sentiment of each post. For example, you can see this. What is with the parking in Mumbai? Jerry Seinfeld's Indian debut cancelled. So basically, it tells what kind of sentiment the people have while posting such tweets. So you can see much awaited Jerry Seinfeld for organizers blame traffic cops. You can see that this has a very less positive and a larger negative sentiment. And using this, we can calculate what the people in Mumbai actually think about the traffic conditions there. Now, this is followed by a Facebook sentiments, basically the Mumbai traffic police, what updates they give regarding the major areas in Mumbai. This can also be used to get an idea of what the city has. Also, now we have considered the major locations present in Mumbai, such as Vashi, Thane, Worli, Churchgate. These locations are traveled by commuters daily in a large scale. So, we have listed different routes and approximate time to reach that particular place from these different alternate routes. For example, Airoli Bridge Road, and this Panvel Expressway. So using these roads, there are different time to go to the different places. So this is like a real-time data of how people can reach their destination faster and gives them an idea of where to go. So now let us give you a demonstration of how exactly our software gets this tweets. So now let me just tweet something about the traffic in the city of Mumbai. So let's say traffic jam in Andheri at Mumbai. Hashtag annoying. So let's see if this is caught by our dashboard. So now you have seen that my tweet has come into the dashboard, and it has also factored in the my tweet sentiment in the overall sentiment of the city. So as you can see, I am annoyed at being in the traffic jam. So the negative sentiment of the city has increased. Also, based on these sentiments, the dashboard will not suggest a route going through these areas, thus giving a real-time feedback of how fast you can go to your destination.
So in the last section, we saw how real-time data is being factored into the dashboard. So now suppose we enter two source and destination, say Bandra and Andheri. Right now they're really broad places like areas, but it can be anything from say a street or a building or something like that. So when I click on find route, it basically checks in the conditions which are present in the city at the given time, and therefore it plots the route which has the least traffic at this given point of time on the map. So as you can see, the information about the route, it tells me the time that might be required right now to get from this point A to point B, the distance that is there. Now, on every sub part of the route, it tells me what sort of traffic conditions might be expected and what kind of average speed may I be looking at. So basically, yeah. So factoring in the social and the real-time data that is obtained for this given point of time, it will tell you the best possible route between the source and destination that you have selected right now.
So this is some of the government traffic data which is used for quick visualization of trends, and we get line charts, bar charts, and pie or donuts across the entire country of India. And can be used as a reference to quantify the results of a new traffic regulation or a scheme that has been implemented in the city. The severity of accidents is number of persons killed per 100 accidents, and the share of vehicles, that the number of vehicles, the percentage of vehicles which are responsible for the road accidents. This is the official data from the government of India which hasn't been updated, and this gives the number of people who are killed in the entire country for road accidents.